All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So there's a lot going on with drones and stuff today. And the reason why I'm showing you this, I showed this in my previous videos, because sometimes you don't know what you're looking at until you get a photo of it and zoom in on it. So this was something that I showed here in a recent video. I just wanted to show this to you guys again. But there's a lot of activity in the New Jersey area. A lot of people are seeing what they're stating to be car-sized drones, and you'll hear it in some video footage I'm going to show to you. And they're seeing a lot of different things, a lot of different lights and stuff that are around in that area, and it's happening in different areas too, and some that even look like planes, and then some that lights that are flashing everywhere. So it's very interesting what's going on, and I'm going to show you guys a couple of video clips. This is actually from over in China, and you guys can see there, and the reason why I'm showing this to you is because this phenomenon is not happening just here in the States, it's happening everywhere. You guys can clearly see some lights that are maybe orbs, or they may be the return of the Foo Fighters from the 40s and 50s, but you can clearly see this here in this video. Now, there was a little bit of audio to it, but it was so much wind, it was so bad to really hear a lot of what's going on here in this one. Now, there's also footage I've showed to you guys too before. Somebody said this was a boat going across the river, which is not clearly. You can clearly see that it went completely across the sky. And it leaves a streak. Someone stated that it was a boat that left reflection off the water into the sky. I've never seen that before, but I just wanted to show this to you guys too, just to kind of prove the point on this and also get your comments on this as well. And then there's some footage that I had a small clip of in a previous video where someone was in an airplane and they shot this here. And once again, we see up to about 3 of these balls of lights, orbs, whatever you want to call them, in the sky. Now, this is the full video clip of this. I've never seen it before, and I was given and shown this, so I wanted to show this to you guys because it's some pretty amazing footage, especially if it's true. I'm about 60–70% this is something that's true, that someone didn't just fabricate. But we're seeing a lot of this, and the reason why I'm showing this to you, because you're going to see it in some of the video footage I've shown to you. Of course, this is shot in an airplane, so it's way up. No one's shooting it from the ground, and this could be some of the same light phenomena that they're seeing on the ground that someone actually filmed from an airplane. So it's 3 lights. Sometimes it may seem like it's a triangular shaped object when it's actually 3 individual objects. You guys can clearly see this was taken from an airplane. I mean, you can see some of the stuff there with it. So on with a lot of stuff that's going on with a lot of these lights they're seeing. You guys can see some photos and stuff here, and it's pretty amazing. This is one of the small car-sized drones that they're saying they're seeing. And then they're also seeing something that looks like this. It looks like an airplane, but the lights are completely different. Look at that light in the front, like it's got arms or something on it. And I tried to enhance this photo just a little bit to see if I could see something from it. So I just kind of brightened it up, and you can see what's shaped to be kind of an airplane there. And then there's other photos and videos I'm going to show you guys too, like something like this. It's taken from that same video clip. It's just a screen capture of it, but it's clearly airplane in shape in a way from what you can see here. So this could be Space Force, this could be an ARV, it could be aliens trying to replicate something we do here. I don't know. But I do want to get into some of these clips and show this to you guys and get your opinion on it, because like I said, I can't say what this is, but together I think we can all get a little bit better disclosure than what we're getting from the government out there. And just looking at this one here, you'll hear the audio behind it. This one goes behind a tree and everything. You'll hear it. You'll hear some sounds behind it too. So maybe it's something from China. I don't know, but trying to go in and enhance some of this, I'm not able to do it. I'm just trying to use some basic tools and stuff. So if you guys know some tools that I can use to try to enhance some of these photos, let me know. I'm not talking about something that's AI is going to make it look out more than what it is. But anyway, we're going to get into some of these video clips. I really want you guys to see this and hear some of the audio behind it.
Holy shit, you gotta be kidding me. The lane just disappeared. Oh my god, it was badass. No, serious. Look, what is that? It wasn't there before, guys. It was over here.
Yeah, it was horizontal, then it rotated and disappeared.
Yeah, it disappeared once the
It's disappearing again. What? Yeah, we were sitting there. It was over there first, and it just disappeared as soon as you guys came out, and now it's came. Whoa! It's back, guys.
It's right there. There's some up at the top too. Like it's back around right now. See, it's turning white light.
What are the lights turning on and off for?
I wonder if that's all.
Okay, what makes this clip interesting is that he was filming it and then he kind of faded in and out. So you guys know that he didn't go in and fabricate it. I don't know if this could be drones or not. I've never seen drones this bright at night. So if you guys know about drones, let me know. But then to fade out like this completely, he zooms in and then he zooms out. I don't know where you can get. And then you see he goes over to the right. You guys can see his sun setting. And then he gets surprised and comes back over. And then he sees that. Then they kind of fade back in. So I don't know what to say of this. Like I said, there's 4 lights here. I don't think it's one object. I think it's 3 to 4 objects, 4 objects. And then he kind of zooms in and out. So put down in the comments what you guys think about this, because this is pretty interesting. And we're going to get into this next one too in just a minute. This next clip I thought was one of the more interesting ones, just in my opinion, because it does show a large object. And what you're going to pay attention to is going to be this right here. It's got some very bright lights on it. So this could be a large drone, or it could be something that we've made. And like I said, I've tried to do a little bit of photo enhancing on this, like trying to brighten it up. But I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to quit my yap, and I'm going to go ahead and let this play, and I'll be back in just a minute.
Are you freaking kidding me right now? What is that?
Now this one interests me just because bright lights, you guys see it flying there, and it flies behind some trees. You can hear some audio and stuff behind it. If this is a drone, this is a very large drone. This is one of the mini car sized drones they said they saw, but it flew behind a tree. You guys can see that there, and you can hear the amazement, at least in this person's voice. I wish someone else had filmed this so we can get a second person, but as always, put down in the comments what you guys think about that. See how it flew behind the trees there. Now this next one's going to be interesting. It does look kind of like an airplane. Very interesting. So let me go ahead. I'm going to let this one play too, and I'll be back in just a minute.
It looks like a spaceship, right? Like that doesn't look like a drone, right? That looks like a spaceship. It's like a small plane. It really is like a small plane. It's crazy. Oh my God.
All right, y'all, another fascinating clip of something that we haven't seen before. I've never seen before. I mean, I've never seen an airplane this bright at night. If you guys have seen something like this, let me know. It could be part of Air Force or Space Force, whatever they're trying to call this stuff now, with that, or it could be, you know, a Lockheed Martin special plane or something, but I've never seen anything like this before. So if you've seen something like this, please put it in the comments. I'll try to disable the link so you guys can put links to other maybe videos or footage of this out here, because seeing this stuff is pretty interesting. It looks like it's 2 arms actually sticking out the front of this that are lit up. Don't know what it is. Maybe they're trying to trick us with this. But this next clip I'm going to show to you guys in just a minute. This is some more footage from some of that stuff out there. The next clip I'm going to show to you is going to be someone that caught some lights, and then towards the end you'll hear the person talking about seeing a triangular shaped craft or something, but you'll hear it too. So it could be TR-3B, it could be a stealth bomber, it could be a couple of things. But let me quit my yapping, and I'm gonna let this play in just a minute. And pay attention to the close end part of this too, because that's when he talks about it. Me trying to enhance that, just basically trying to brighten it up. Doesn't do too much justice for it, but I think the video is gonna prove a little bit more than what I'm trying to do right here. So once again, let me quit my yapping and go ahead and let this play.
There they are. Oh.
You got one up there too.
Marmora, New Jersey. Here they are. And they do sound like drones. Yo, look, looks like a triangle. Look. It looks like a fucking triangle. Go. But here they are. They look like a fucking triangle. They look like a triangle. No way. And an F-16 just flew over. No way.
So there you guys go there. I mean, another triangular shaped object that we are not able to visibly see at night because it's probably all black with it. But This is not the first time I've had stuff on my channel for you guys that are new to it. I've put out a lot of videos before of people seeing particular lights in the sky, like something like this, and then they see it again at night. And when they see it at night, they see something similar to what you're seeing here. But me going in and just doing basic stuff like lightening up the background of it, you'll see more of a shape of a craft like what you're seeing here. And I put that video out a couple of months ago, so I'll try to link in the description below if I can recall, remember to do it. But we don't know what shape these things are. We don't know what these things can do. The lights could be moving around to help with the propulsion system, a couple of things like that. But all in all, this stuff is very interesting. We're getting a lot more video footage out there. It's not the clearest, but we're getting footage and we're getting people's reactions. So what some of this stuff is out here, I don't know. You guys have to let me know in the comments if you've seen stuff before. Maybe someone on another YouTube channel debunks them. So if they have, just let me know in the comments. But this is pretty interesting, especially with this bright light arms looking on this airplane. And then this one here, they said the size of a mini car or something. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching.